Dear customer, Ruichi Hardware is a one-stop hardware supplier with 20 years of factory production experience and 10 years of online service in Alibaba. We have realized one-stop OEM and ODM services from product design, mold making, material sorting, production line, packaging and quality inspection to door delivery. To provide satisfied products and services for customers in 20 countries around the world. We have registered our own trademark in China, United States, Australia, and some major marketing countries, and achieved global branding. We received a lot of praise, trust, and continuous cooperation from old and new customers. We are specialized in the production and sales of HVAC accessories series products that including damper blade, regulator, access door, and other accessories. Very good management system and ISO quality system certification that to ensure product quality and after-sales service. Welcome to visit our factory for business. Our excellent sales team responds quickly to provide you professional service.